The crazy nigga.
Hi, the Rockford Rescue Mission told me I had to sleep outside last night, and so my clothes were left there, and they wouldn't let me pick up my clothing last night. I need a T-shirt.
Okay, you have to talk to them at the next stop.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I have to see a case man just for a T-shirt. I have to go to I have to go to court right now. I just need a T-shirt. Okay. The Rockford Rescue Mission told me to sleep outside last night, and they wouldn't let me pick up my clothing. I just need a T-shirt. I'm wearing the same T-shirt.
What's your name?
My name is Ethan, Ethan. Last name is Turner, Turner.
Have all available guests help with
What size
Salvation Army.
T-shirt?
All
A large.
available guests help with Salvation Army, please. Thank you.
I don't know what time when they are done with their case management.
What?
When they're done with case management, someone will come out.
I have to go to court like right now.
You can't get it right now. No one is available to get it for you.
When is case management going to be available? It's 11 o'clock.
No, they're not going to be able to do case management with you.
They're not going to be able to do case management with me?
Oh,
Until when?
Monday.
So I can't get a T-shirt until Monday?
Well, if you're not willing to wait, Jarvis, you're next for the shower. We close at 2:30. So if you're not willing to wait after they're done with their case management, or they have some time available, you just have to wait until next week to get it. Because you said you need it right now.
Yeah, I need a T-shirt. I'm wearing this.
But they are in case management with other people right now. They can't get up out of case management to get you a T-shirt.
The lady at the front desk. Okay. All right. So did they tell you couldn't shower?
Yeah, for 30 days.
What?
Yeah, for 30 days. I was not snoring out there at all.
So because you were snoring, you can't shower for 30 days?
Right. I was not doing that. I was out there with my phone.
Yeah, do you think they're doing that on purpose?
Yes. Yes, they are. They're doing that on purpose.
Okay.
I know they are.
Yeah, I need a T-shirt because the Rockford Rescue Mission wouldn't let me get my T-shirt. Wouldn't let me get my clothing, so I need a T-shirt, and I have to go to court. Yeah. So, I'm going to leave here soon. I guess I'm gonna wait till 1 more hour. There's no reason why they can't.
Tyrone, your laundry is ready. Tyrone.
I just need a T-shirt. Am I sitting in your seat? No. Okay. Remind me what your name is. Bill. And Bill, you're a veteran, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any identification for the veteran from the VA or anything?
I got military bus pass.
You got a military bus pass. Can I see it real quickly? It says right there, Bill's a veteran. Okay, veteran, Army. Okay, Bill.
And I deserve to be treated with respect. I put my ass on the line for almost 25 years.
25 years.
25 years.
Bill,
of my life.
I promise you, Bill. I promise you, I'm gonna go to court and I'm gonna help you. Okay. I promise you. I promise you. If it's the last thing I do, Bill, yeah, I will give them hell.
Do it.
I don't know if they're doing it so because they can get away with it, or if they're doing it to prove that they can get away with it, or if they're doing it to establish dominance. But Bill, you've done nothing wrong ever.
I never did nothing
So
since I've been back here. Nothing.
all right, all right. The lady at the front desk, what's her name?
I don't know what her name is.
Yeah, but it's usually her that gets in trouble. But it's
Yeah, it's usually her.
yeah. So, but I don't know if I don't know if that's gonna be. But the Coalition for the Homeless tell veterans they can't use a shower for 30 days as punishment, and they might be doing it on purpose. And it's
That's what I think. She's doing it.
okay. And there's no complaint procedure. There's no authority. The issue is that there's no authority to get to reach out to.
She should be fired.
You could call the police, but the police don't. But the police don't have jurisdiction here. The police don't have jurisdiction. And so the only person that has jurisdiction is really me, I guess. Okay.
She